Starting a business can be very challenging. So instead of running business plan, we should focus on making business model canvas. A business model canvas is a tool that has helped thousands of people across many companies, and by using business model canvas, we can come up with some of the best business model. My name is Manthan Patel. I am an engineer and entrepreneur. I have helped various different business model by using this business model canvas tool. And I daily interact with this business model, and I can say that I have intensive experience in this topic. This course is perfect for you if you are engineer or entrepreneur or maybe someone who wants to run their own business. Our business model canvas is a single page tool which break down any business idea into 9 building blocks. These 9 building blocks is a way to handle our business model plan in a much easier way and bring out some of the most important solution from it. So instead of starting our complicated business plan, we can easily sketch out our business model canvas and we can visualize with our own team, as well as it is a common language that is understood by everyone. It is a perfect tool from teamwork and visual thinking. Well, in this course, we will talk about what is business model, what is business model canvas, how are these 9 building blocks that are useful in order to create our successful business model plan, as well as we will take a deep dive into each of these building blocks and how you can use it. For your business idea, I will share you some of the similar companies and how their business model works, as well as we will take a deep dive into some of the famous business models such as Airbnb or Google, and we will try to integrate their business model. This will help you to visualize your own business plan and you will have some sort of idea about your own business model canvas. You will have all the tools and the ingredients needed to create our successful business model canvas, and you will be able to share this business canvas model to your team in just matter of minutes. You will have lifetime access of the resources that I have mentioned in the resource section, and those resources are really useful in order to create successful business model canvas. Also, you can interact with me in the question section if you have any questions, and I have also added some of the quizzes to help you to integrate and to analyze your own study process. So I look forward to helping you and see you inside the course.